What's up, bugs? Me, bugs. RVP here. You know how I do. Got up this morning, walked that old dog, and took my CR7 drive. Oh yeah. Actually, I didn't this morning because I didn't. As you see, I'm just working out this late in the afternoon. It's not all that late, but anyway, I went to my Bible meeting and I talked to the Lord. Now I'm up here at RVP's training facility. I just finished my 20 minutes of funk, y'all. 90 minutes of jump rope, 30 seconds rest. 90 minutes of jump rope, 30 seconds rest until 20 minutes was gone. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna bang out back and biceps. Word is running on my back. I'm gonna bang out back and biceps. I'm gonna do some abs. And I'm gonna feed the beast. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. This ain't a commercial, y'all. I don't do commercials. This is not a commercial. I'm just happy to tell you what I'm going to do. Anyway, y'all have a good day. RVP will holler at y'all later, all right? Peace.